I've been to prison, I've been to jail, I've been there more times than I can count. When I got out of prison, I felt like I didn't understand, I didn't know where I was gonna go. I had a parole officer that was about to retire, and the first thing she said to me is, I'm gonna do everything I can to put you back into prison. And I was in a place of low self-esteem. I was, no longer with my kids, I had lost them. Like, I have that story where I lost everything, and so when I got out, I was lost in the world. Like, I'm grateful that I could look like this today, but this isn't my story. Like, my story is I was homeless on the streets and I was talking to myself, having to find myself walking around at nighttime because I couldn't lay my head down on the street because who knows what would happen to me at nighttime. My addiction and my disease got me so gone that nobody wanted anything to do with me, and I didn't know how I was gonna stay clean. I didn't even know how I was gonna get clean, right? Until one day I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. Like, sometimes our best stories come out of our worst experiences, right? And like, I had a really severe, terrible domestic violence situation that I was in. Like, I was kidnapped, tortured, beaten, and left on the side of the road. And I share this with you because if that incident never happened, I wouldn't be here today, and I know that with all my heart and soul. Because that was like my identifying moment, that I can't live like this anymore or I'm gonna die. And that's when I was blessed enough to get the opportunity to get into a program. And I was able to, for the first time, share my story with another human being. So I just celebrated 6 years clean. And today, like, the greatest gift that I have is that I get to make a living amends every single day. So, like, I got to share my story and got to tell where I've been and how I want to be that support, because I don't want people to get lost in the system like I felt like I did. It might have taken 6 years to get here, but it doesn't matter how long it takes. I believe in each and every one of you, and I know you guys can do it.